Wow, no, it's a SLS.
Yeah.
Wow. I've only seen pictures of these. I have not seen them in real life.
Straight.
My dudes, welcome back to the vlog. It has been 12 days, 11 days. I'm a little sick. I had a stomach flu yesterday, so if I'm hunching a bit, excuse me. But you know what? None of that matters because today we are going to pick up the Murcielago. It's got a brand new clutch, fresh clutch. Got my boy Angelo over here. Shout out to Angelo. He's giving me a ride. How many kilometers is it from here? It's 200 kilometers?
200 or 250, something around there.
Gee, so that's like 120 miles. Good to see you, bro. We're in this beast. 700 horsepower, 700 torque, which means we're gonna get there in about 40 minutes on the Autobahn. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
All right. So as I was saying, it's been 11 days since Ring Police picked up the car and they swapped the clutch out. They told me it would be about a week, so I figured in this week, why don't I fly out to the south of France, went to Cannes, Monaco, and Saint-Tropez. Bought a friend of mine. Her and I, we had a hell of a time. Came back, now the car's ready, so we're going to pick it up and continue this journey. Shall we hit it?
Hit it.
Let's hit it. I love that torque. I miss this feeling, you know. I've been in a Renault. I've had a rent-a-car this entire time. The week I was in south of France, like a 90 horsepower Renault. Oh man. Oh, thank you. I needed that. I needed my fix. How fast is 270? Doesn't say miles per hour, huh?
No.
I know 300 is 180, so 270 is about 160.
Around that.
That's very stable long term. It's not like my car.
It is.
That was 300.
I didn't even check it.
Oh yeah, that was 300. So 180.
Yeah.
Very quick. Oh, there's the Mercy. Ta-da. All right, dudes, we are inside Ring Police. They took a couple extra days, which is totally fine because they were racing at the 24-hour spa in this beautiful thing. They have a bunch of other cars over there, so we're waiting for them to come. And I guess we got to pay the bill, and hopefully I could get to check out the cars over here because they have some really cool cup cars, GT3R cars. C4 right here, so it should be pretty cool. The most important thing, you guys fix the seat.
Yeah, right.
Hallelujah. My ass doesn't have to go numb anymore, thank God. Okay. Oh, this is so comfortable. Oh my God. Oh, this feels so good. Okay. Oh yeah, the head unit works now.
Yeah? Okay.
Yes. Okay, the two most important things. I've got my music now, and I've got my comfortable seat. I've got a new clutch. Fortunately, they couldn't fix the suspension. That was gonna take too long. So we'll take care of that once we get back to AGX, but I'm ready to hit the road. This car, oh, this feels so comfortable.
Somebody happy about
Honestly, it's the best part about the car right now. Like, forget the clutch. Yeah. I have a normal seat. My back doesn't have to break anymore. Let's go check out the shop, yeah?
Yeah, right.
Jesus Christ. What a cool shop you guys have.
Yeah, thank you.
Oh, it's so clean.
Yeah.
It's massive. Okay, let's see the old clutch. It's so heavy, huh?
Yeah.
It had a lot of crap?
Yeah, very much.
Okay, yeah, it was done.
Yeah.
It was all this guy's fault.
It's not my fault.
He asked me to do
burnout.
Yeah, you asked me to do
The Mr. Donut and Burnout.
Yeah, that's what I'm known for apparently. I hit a speed bump
Okay.
on the freeway,
Fast, yeah.
but 80 miles an hour. My car went airborne.
Yeah.
That's why I blew out the front shock, and I thought the wheels might be bent, but Symbolo wheels made it. Is this the car you guys raced?
Yes, right. We have a lot more over there. So this is the normal shop side. So we do the normal things like oil,
Okay.
everything, services
Was the Murcielago on the normal side or?
on the normal side. Over there we do the paint protection.
Okay.
You know it already?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did this start off as a regular car, or was this always
Yeah.
a cup car?
Yeah, it's always a cup car.
It started off as a
Yes,
cup car.
right.
Okay, because I have a 2019 GT3 RS,
Yeah, I know, yeah.
and we're converting it to a cup car.
Okay. Yeah.
So I was wondering if I can buy the body stuff from you guys. Do you guys have any used sets or?
I don't know. You have to you have to ask Jan.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. This is cool. Kevlar, huh? That's what it looks like. Oh man, I can't wait for my GT3 RS to look like this. Okay, so on the cup car has a muffler apparently. I did not know that. Okay, no cat, just a center section muffler. Here it goes through there. Comes out here. Pulls the brakes. You got one more from here. From the front, I'm assuming. Comes out here. That's really cool. Beautiful car. This is a GT3 RS.
Right. GT2 RS.
GT2. Yeah. Tell from the wheels. Oh wow, chalk too. Beautiful color. So you guys mostly work on Porsches
Yeah. 80% I think.
because Porsches are the best cars in the world, right?
Yeah. Right.
Wow. No, it's a SLS.
Yeah.
Jeez. That is beautiful. So you guys used to race this one, or
No,
is this
no,
a
no.
customer car?
This is customer car.
Customer car. My God. Angelo, come check this out. Look at that.
That's crazy, man.
Wow.
That's really, really crazy.
It's a refrigerator. That one is a GT3R. That's from last year. You guys cannot race that one anymore. And these two are the GT2 RS Club Sport. These are the brand new ones that just came out, right?
Right.
Wow. I've only seen pictures of these. I have not seen them in real life. Hello.
Hey,
How are you?
I'm good, and you?
Good. Your name?
Yeah, sorry, on the even I picked the car up.
Oh,
Sebastian.
Yeah, I didn't recognize you without the
It was
street
dark,
clothes.
yeah.
It
You
was
right?
dark too. How are you?
Good, you?
Well, good. These are the Club Sport cars.
right.
Wow.
Yeah.
Did you guys race these
Yeah,
in
on Spa.
24?
Yeah, it was not the 24-hour race, it was before the 24-hour race. It was
Okay.
2 half-an-hour races. Yeah.
Okay, what about that one over there?
We did the 24-hour race at Nürburgring.
At Nürburgring.
Yeah,
Okay.
right.
This or a GT3R, GT3 Cup
This-
car?
this-
Which one is better?
It's a two. Yeah, it's different.
Totally different.
Yeah,
But
it's a
which one is better?
Yeah,
That one, really? Why?
it has more arrow, and on the corner, speeds are much quicker than these cars here.
And this is a turbo car, yes?
Yeah, it's turbo car, 700 horsepower, but on the straight, on the main straight, really much quicker. But this car is more
On turns.
Yeah, on turns.
Oh, what a cool car. Dudes, that is the end of Ring Police, and we will see this truck next week. Where are we seeing this truck?
In Zandvoort.
Zandvoort in Netherlands at the GT3R Cup event. The Iron Force car, along with 30 other Porsches, are racing next weekend, and we're going to be there backstage. Angelo and I are going to go 2 days early because we're racing a Corvette, a GT3, and what was the other car?
I think it's a BMW.
And a BMW. We're going to race those against each other on the same track, see who runs faster.
You know it's me.
Probably me. Hey, thank you so much for driving me out here.
Nothing
It's
to
been a
thank for.
pleasure. Best part about this Euro trip is making friends. Guys,
True story.
really, this is my 4th time running into you. Guys, please do me a favor. From the bottom of my heart, I mean this. Follow him on Instagram. We just did 320 kilometers an hour in this car, which is 200 miles an hour. I have to say, this car did 200 miles an hour a lot smoother than my car did. Went there a lot quicker. I guess it's the 700 horse, 700 torque. Last piece that we just added on. I'm not sure if I should be proud of this. Added the sticker, Iron Force sticker. Yeah, the car broke down. So
True.
yeah, you know, if this sticker was up here by the Netherlands, it'd be one to be proud of. Maybe we'll add one over there as well.
As well.
But yeah, this is the sticker of shame, the broken down sticker of shame. It is what it is, but hey, new seat, new clutch, ready to hit the road. I will be in Hamburg tonight, Denmark tomorrow, and finally home in Sweden on Friday. Today's Wednesday. It's been so long I've lost track of my days. But that's it for now. Gracias, señore. Mucho gusto.
Vielen Dank.
Ja, danke.
Dankeschön. Tack så mycket.
Tack så mycket. There we go. Okay, so I will see you guys. I don't even know where. It's been a very, very long trip, but I'll see you guys later, man. Ciao.